you are going to love the 2017 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.